They're lined up. They're off. They race away. Al-Kaya just rears slightly as the stalls open, but is pushed along to take a prominent position. Mukadram runs against the rails, chasing him through. A Magician, blue and orange jacket from the outside draw, is close up to the leaders as well. The white colours of Parish Hall pulls very hard in second position for Kevin Manning as they begin the run around the turn. Trev is in the silver jacket, back in sixth position. She's just preceded by the Fugue in pink colours. Then Dank in the blue cap towards the outside of Zambuca. Pat Cosgrave in blue and red colours, who's at the back of the field. As they turn them now towards the final 3/4 of a mile, and Al-Kaya Dana Neal's got into a good long lead at this stage as they run down the side of the course. He's almost 10 lengths clear. In second position comes Parish Hall, and then Mukadram towards the inside of Magician. Behind those, the Fugue is creeping a little bit closer, and 2 lengths behind her now to Trev. Then comes Dank, and Zambuca is at the rear of the field. But the final half mile already coming up now, and Al-Kaya and Dana Neal continue to have a very long lead approaching the turn, at least 10 lengths clear. In second position, Parish Hall. Magician's a neck behind him in third. The Fugue begins to make progress. She's into fourth place on the outside of Mukadram. And then comes Trev, who's 2 lengths further back as they move into the straight. And in front it is Al-Kaya, but now being caught. Magician and Parish Hall in second and third. Here's the pink jacket of the Fugue. She's coming there very strongly. Trev is in behind her. Mukadram comes through against the rails. Magician is the leader as they head down towards the last furlong. The Fugue in second place. Trev is unable to pick up back in third position. She's trying hard though. Mukadram behind those. It's the Fugue showing in front. She's 2 lengths ahead as she races towards the line. Trev and Magician second and third places. But today it's the day of the Fugue, and she's won the Prince of Wales Stakes by 2. Magician in second. Trev was only third, and Mukadram this year was fourth.